dear students. This is Set Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College, Vasai East, Palghar. Welcome to SSC Online Audio Video Lessons. Myself, Jyoti Shankar Shinde. I am teaching in Standard 6, subject Maths. Yesterday only we started our new chapter, that is chapter number 9, SCF and LCM, and we learn part 1 of it. In that part we learn what is the meaning of SCF and LCM, and we learn about how to find out the common factors of given number. Today we are going to start our second part of SCF and LCM. In this part, we are going to learn the SCF. SCF means the highest common factor. So let us start our today's topic, that is highest common factor, SCF. Let us learn with example. My aunt has brought two ribbons of different colors. One 12 meters long and the other 18 meters. Both the ribbons have to be cut into pieces of the same length. What should be the maximum length of each piece? The number which gives the length of each piece must be a factor of 12 and of 18. Factors of 12: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factors of 18: 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Of the common factors of 12 and 18, 6 is the greatest. Therefore, the maximum length of each piece should be 6 meters. Here is another example. There are 20 kg of jowar and 50 kg of wheat in a shop. All the grain is to be packed in bags. If all the bags are to have equal weights of grain, what is the maximum weight of grain that can be filled in each bag? The weight of the grain in each bag must be a factor of 20 and 50. Besides, the maximum possible weight must be filled in each bag. Hence, let us find the SCF, the highest common factor of 20 and 50. So now here the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now factors of 50 are 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. The common factors of 20 and 50 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Of the common factors of 20 and 50, the 10 is the greatest, that is 10 is the SCF of the numbers 20 and 50. Therefore, a maximum of 10 kg of grain can be filled in each bag. Remember, to find the SCF of given numbers, make a list of factors of the numbers and find the greatest of the common factor. Now we understood how to find out the SCF, that means the highest common factors of given number. So let us move to solve our new practice set, that is practice set number 24. Find the HCF of the following numbers. The first sum 45, 30. Answer. Factors of 45: 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45. Factors of 30: 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. The common factors of 45 and 30 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. The greatest among them is 15. Therefore, answer, the HCF of 45 and 30 is 15. Now, second sum, 16, 48. Factors of 16: 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. The factors of 48: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. The common factors of 16 and 48: 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. The greatest among them is 16. Therefore, our answer, the highest common factor of 16 and 48 is 16. Note here, 48 is a multiple of 16. Now third, 39, 25. The factors of 39: 1, 3, 30, 39. Factors of 25: 1, 5 and 25. The common factors of 39 and 25 is 1. Answer, the HCF of 39 and 25 is 1. So note here, 39 and 25 are co-prime numbers. Now fourth sum, 49, 56. Factors of 49: 1, 7, 49. Factors of 56: 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. The common factors of 49 and 56: 1 and 7. The greater between them is 7. So therefore, the highest common factor of 49 and 56 is 7. Fifth, 120 and 144. The factors of 120: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 60 and 120. Factors of 144: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 16, 18, 24, 36, 48, 72 and 144. The common factors of 120 and 144 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. The greatest among them is 24. So therefore, the highest common factor of 120 and 144 is 24. Here are some questions are given as a home assignment. You have to find out the HCF of given numbers. This you have to write in your maths notebook. Now question number 2. If large square beds of equal size are to be made on a plot of land 18 meters long and 15 meters wide in order to plant vegetables, what is the maximum possible length of each bed? Solution: to find the maximum possible length of a bed, we have to find the HCF, that means the highest common factor of 18 and 15. The factors of 18: 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. The factors of 15: 1, 3, 5, 15. The common factors of 18 and 15: 1 and 3. The greater between them is 3. Therefore, the maximum possible length of each bed is 3 meters. Third question. Two ropes, one 8 meters long and the other 12 meters long, are to be cut into pieces of the same length. What will the maximum possible length of each piece be? Solution: we have to find HCF of 8 and 12. The factors of 8: 1, 2, 4, 8. The factors of 12: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. The common factors of 8 and 12: 1, 2, 4. The greatest among them 4. The answer, the maximum possible length of each piece of rope is 4 meters. Now here I gave few sum as a home assignment. This you have to write in your Maths notebook. Solve it by yourself and try to practice as much as you can. Write full practice set number 24 in your maths notebook in a neat and clean handwriting. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.